Welcome, friends. The world is changing rapidly, and a clear testament to this transformation is that artificial intelligence, AI, has moved beyond a mere scientific concept and has now entered every aspect of our lives. In such times, if a company emerges with a model entirely based on AI, it is undoubtedly a forerunner of a new direction for the world. In this context, today we are going to talk about a company named Onpassive. Onpassive is not just a technological company. It is a movement and a vision that is growing under the guidance of an experienced businessman and visionary founder, Mr. Ash Mufareh. Let's delve deeper into this company's future, its strengths, and its potential global impact. Mr. Ash Mufareh is a person who not only deeply understands technology, but also laid the foundation of a company like Onpassive to bring his vision to life. It is anticipated that under his leadership, Onpassive will not merely remain a software company, but will evolve into a complete business empire. The company will significantly strengthen the financial standing of its founders. Through investment, strategic planning, and complete reliance on AI, Onpassive is not just a profitable opportunity for founders, but also positions them as leaders in the world of technology. Undoubtedly, artificial intelligence has had profound effects on every aspect of our lives. From automating daily tasks to solving complex problems, the power of AI has transformed the world. Many companies have come and gone in this evolution, some of which have secured a distinct place in the digital world due to their unique vision and innovative approach. Don't forget, Onpassive is determined from day one to be among the leaders of this space. There is no second opinion that Onpassive began with a clear vision to create a comprehensive AI ecosystem that can empower individuals and businesses alike. Mr. Ash Mufareh believes that AI should not remain confined to a few large corporations. It should be accessible to all. This fundamental idea is what led to the foundation of Onpassive. Now the question arises, what is Onpassive doing differently that other AI companies are not? In response, it should be said that Mr. Ash Mufareh's biggest asset is the fully developed AI ecosystem he has created. It's important to note that Onpassive is not just a collection of tools or products. It is an integrated platform that brings together people and businesses from different backgrounds. For example, Onpassive is developing various business tools that will help improve performance in key areas like marketing, sales, customer service, and operations. These tools include automated marketing campaigns, predictive analytics, and intelligent chatbots. Not just for businesses, Onpassive will also offer exciting AI solutions for regular users. These include personal assistants, smart home integration, and entertainment applications. Onpassive will also provide a strong developer platform, enabling other developers to build their applications and solutions using Onpassive's AI infrastructure. This will help create an open and collaborative environment. Behind Onpassive is a powerful and secure AI infrastructure that will ensure all of Onpassive's solutions run efficiently and reliably. Let's now take a look at some of the unique and innovative products and solutions of Onpassive that have the potential to make it a major player in the future. Unlike traditional marketing automation, Onpassive's AI-powered tools will deeply understand user behavior to create highly personalized marketing campaigns. This will not only improve marketing performance, but also enhance the customer experience. Onpassive's standout feature is that it doesn't just use AI as a tool. The company itself is built on AI. Every operation, decision-making process, and service is AI-driven. Onpassive's chatbots and virtual assistants will not only answer common questions, but also resolve complex problems. This will make customer service available 24/7 and significantly more effective. In today's world, big data is extremely important. Onpassive's AI-driven analytics tools will help businesses anticipate market trends, understand consumer behavior, and identify potential risks. This enables better decision-making and provides a competitive edge. In the digital age, cybersecurity is a major challenge. Onpassive is working on developing advanced AI-powered cybersecurity solutions that can better detect and prevent threats. Now it's important to understand what advantages Onpassive has over other companies in the market. In my opinion, some of Onpassive's key competitive strengths include, as discussed earlier, Onpassive's complete AI ecosystem gives it a unique position in the market. Instead of using multiple platforms for different needs, users can find all solutions in one place. Onpassive has always focused on creating new and innovative technologies. Mr. Ash Mufare's team includes talented technology experts and IT engineers who are constantly pushing the boundaries of AI. It's important to note that Onpassive's philosophy is not just to create technology, but to deliver real solutions that solve user problems and improve lives. The success of any company greatly depends on its leadership. Onpassive has strong and visionary leadership, capable of steering the company in the right direction. In summary, in the coming era, Onpassive will not only revolutionize existing industries, but will also give birth to new sectors and opportunities. Onpassive's comprehensive ecosystem and user-centric approach will ensure its success across different fields. Whether you are a business owner or a regular consumer, Onpassive's AI technology will prove beneficial for all. Without a doubt, Onpassive is reshaping the future of AI on a global scale. Onpassive's journey has just begun, and it holds tremendous potential. Every aspect of the company has been designed by Mr. Ash Mufare to not only be relevant today, but also effective and impactful for future generations. Onpassive is for those who want to take proactive steps, who want to enter tomorrow's world today. If you seek success, income, independence, and global recognition, Onpassive is waiting for you. This is the place where technology, opportunity, vision, and humanity come together. It is a fully automated company, truly one of its kind.